So now you know all about spectrograms and how to plot spectra. We're going to have a look at why you might want to filter data using some of the effects in Audacity. Let's zoom in on our favourite interval again, and looking at the waveform view, you can see there are some nice small amplitude, very sinusoidal waves, but they seem to be on top of some other sort of wave activity at a much lower frequency. So we could use filtering within Audacity to remove that lower frequency stuff and just focus in on the high frequency sinusoidal stuff that perhaps we're interested in. Let's just play this period. So how do we do that? Well, firstly, we have to get a sense on what frequency we want to set our cutoff at. Now we can see it's sort of peaked at around just over 1000 hertz here. So we want to pick something lower than that. Let's say about 200 hertz is well below where we have any of these enhancements in the spectrogram. So let's do Effect, High Pass Filter. That will allow any frequencies above the frequency we set through, but it will attenuate or reduce the amplitude of frequencies below that. And we'll set our roll off to -48 at the lowest possible one, so basically completely wiping out all the lower frequencies. Press OK. This is applying it to the whole year. And now look, all that low frequency stuff has gone, all those variations that we saw before, and similarly in the spectrogram, it's completely disappeared. And now we can only have the high frequency waves that perhaps we were interested in. Let's play that. So it sounds very similar, but now we can actually do better analysis because we're not got that contamination from the low frequency waves. Alternatively, we might be interested in those low frequency waves and we want to get rid of the high frequencies. So let's do instead a low pass filter. We'll set it again at 200 hertz with a -48 roll off. And now we can see just these low frequencies have passed through on which the sinusoidal waves were superimposed. And you can see that's much, much lower frequency and doesn't seem to have a well-defined frequency, though you know how to do the plot spectrum for that. So there you have it. That's why you might use filtering. Okay, I hope all of that helped. There will be more how-to videos on this channel, so do make sure you subscribe to get stuff like that, and do ask questions in the comments below if you don't understand anything I said or you found something and you don't know what to do. I'm here to help.